What is going on, guys and gals? Fitzy here. Just got to the water. We're doing some trout fishing today on a small, beautiful little creek. We're going to be targeting brown trout. They're stocked, so hopefully we're going to have a good day, good morning at least, and we'll see what happens. Stay with me. Oh, that was a hit, I think. Oh yeah, we're getting swipes, big time swipes in here. There we go, we got one. Nice. Got something at least. I don't know what we have, but oh, and I lost him. There we go, got one. Nice. Hanging right in the little riffle things here. I'll get my net out. Yeah, buddy, come here. Come here, Mr. Brownie. Oh yeah, it's a nice brownie. Nice, nice. Little guy. Get our hands wet? Come here, brother. Look at that, he's a feisty little fella. Beautiful fish right there. Beautiful. First one. Brown trout. We'll get him back in. And there he goes. Back in the water. Alright. I'm going to show you what I'm using before we go any further. I've got the that's the TFO Trout-Panfish rod. It's an ultralight, 6 foot, fast action rod. 2 to 6 pound line, 1/32 to 3/16 ounce lure weight, and I've got some high vis yellow braid on here. Usually I put on some kind of fluorocarbon leader, but I didn't do it this time. I might later today, I don't know, we'll see. And right now I'm throwing I don't know if this is a Panther Martin, I don't know, it's a high quality spinner, silver body, black hair, treble, silver blade. But yeah, any of the Panther Martins, the I can't think of any of the spinner brands right now, but any of them work pretty good, man, you know. Yeah, that's what we're throwing. We've got some other stuff that that we may put on later. We got some small crankbaits, some little jig heads, that kind of stuff. So got some trout magnet, but we're gonna stick with this right now. It's easy to throw, covers a lot of water. It's weighted where it gets down there in this little bit of current. Gets down to where the fish are holding. So it's a beautiful day out today. Beautiful morning, I should say. It's probably about 7:30 now. Got here about 7. Got the day to fish. Probably fish the morning. Maybe into the afternoon, but I don't know, we'll see. There we go, got him. This is the big one for this little section. He's not huge, man, but oh yeah, come here, buddy. Don't lose him, come here. Got him in the net. Oh yeah. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. We're gonna get that hook out of you. Got ourselves a nice little Rainbow, I believe. I'm horrible at trout identification, but yeah. There we go. Second one. Beautiful trout. There he goes. All right, there we go, trout number 2. Been out here for about an hour, hour and a half, so. We made our way upstream. Now we're gonna go downstream. Try to find some more holes. Try to get a couple more. We'll see what happens. All right. All right, folks, I'm going to call it. Ended the morning with 2 trout, and that's it, man. Had a couple other swipes. Lost one early on. But, yeah, had a bad morning. Beautiful day to get outside. Enjoy the nice weather. So, as always, take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.